again, and to spread out disease. Brace yourselves and calm.
Hi, I'm Matt from Pennsylvania. My wife's Janice. She's inside. We can give you a little tour of our bus. Start outside here.
Hopefully the beautiful strength bus engine running isn't going to bother us, but
Got a little understorage there that we got from Tractor Supply.
I got the same one. I took and had a fabricator add 10 inches to it.
I'm going to do that without it.
Yeah.
Got our toy hauler garage. $6,000-watt inverter with 120 gallons of water.
All right.
And all the toys.
Yeah. Gotta have toys. Now it's quieter.
It's our Lorson security storm door that everybody just loves.
You know, some people have taken and put the film that keeps it from shattering.
That's already in it.
Lights on.
Sleeping is never ending.
Out in the desert.
I wish my seat pivoted.
Yeah, we did rotating seats. They both rotate so that you can just put our table in the middle there and have dinner together. Added a 2-foot extension on the front there, so we have some storage there and mini split up above.
Now, how much of a roof raise did you do?
24 inches.
24?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And the furry overlord is watching us.
Yes. That's Mr. Meowie.
He's looking at me like, I don't know about this one.
Full-size fridge, RV stove. With the tall roof raise, we were able to go with 30-inch cabinets on the uppers.
Sure.
Just like your standard house. Down under in the closet, we've got 1,600 amp hours of lithium iron phosphate batteries. 1,720 watts on the roof right now. We're going to expand that.
Nice.
The bed's up above the garage, and full tile bathroom and shower in here.
Oh, nice big shower.
And then
And it was nice with the roof raises, is you can,
right.
especially if you're tall.
Then I reutilized the backup light from the bus up in the bathroom.
Oh, that's a great idea. Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
Yep. Well, thank you for the tour.
Yeah, thank you.